Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 7, Lesson 48. We've met subordinate clauses, the kind that lean on a main clause. Today we look at one special job they do, acting like an adverb. We call these adverb clauses, and they tell us when, where, why, and how something happens. Start with what an adverb clause is. It's a subordinate clause that works like an adverb. It modifies the verb in the main clause. Listen. Because the bus was late, Dario missed the kickoff. The front part, because the bus was late, is the adverb clause. It points straight at the verb missed and answers a question about it. Why did he miss the kickoff? Because the bus was late. The clause tells why. Just like a single adverb, the clause answers one of these questions about the verb: when, where, why, how, or under what condition. Take this one. The orchard smells wonderful when the apples ripen. The verb is smells. Smells wonderful when? When the apples ripen. That clause answers when, so it's an adverb clause. Any of those question words is a clue you found one. How do you spot one? By its first word. An adverb clause always opens with a subordinating conjunction, a signal word. In our example, that word is because. Watch for these: because, although, when, while, if, after, before, since, until, unless, and as. See one of these starting a clause that's pointing at a verb, and you've almost certainly found an adverb clause. Now, the one punctuation rule you must know. When the adverb clause comes first, put a comma after it. When the bell rang, comma, we left. But when the clause comes at the end, you don't need a comma. We left when the bell rang. So the position decides it. Clause first, use a comma. Clause last, leave it out. Get that right and you've handled the trickiest part of adverb clauses. So here's your quick test. First, spot the signal word at the start of a clause, one of those subordinating conjunctions. Second, ask whether that clause tells you when, where, why, how, or under what condition something happens. If it does, it's an adverb clause modifying the verb. Find the signal word, check the question it answers, and you've got it. Let's try a few. In this first set, find the subordinating conjunction, the signal word that begins the adverb clause. Look for the word that kicks off the part telling when, why, or under what condition. Pause and try each one before I answer. Although Tessa works hard, she welcomes extra projects. The adverb clause is although Tessa works hard, and it starts with the signal word although. That word sets up a contrast with the main clause, so the answer is although. The kitten darted away when it heard the dog bark. The clause when it heard the dog bark tells us when the kitten darted, and it opens with the signal word when. So the answer is when. Do not make a promise unless you are sure. The clause unless you are sure sets a condition, and it begins with the signal word unless. That tells you under what condition. So the answer is unless. Now use the comma rule. If the adverb clause comes first, the sentence needs a comma after it. If the clause comes at the end, no comma is needed. Decide which each one needs. Pause and try each one. After the movie ended, we walked home. The adverb clause, after the movie ended, comes first, at the front of the sentence. The rule says, clause first, put a comma after it. So the answer is, comma. We stayed inside because the storm was fierce. Here, the adverb clause, because the storm was fierce, comes at the end. When the clause comes last, you don't need a comma, so the answer is no comma. Whenever it rains, the field floods. The adverb clause, whenever it rains, leads off the sentence. Since the clause comes first, it takes a comma after it, so the answer is comma. Let's wrap up. An adverb clause is a subordinate clause that modifies a verb and tells when, where, why, how, or under what condition the action happens. It always begins with a subordinating conjunction, a signal word like because, when, if, or although. And remember the comma rule. When the clause comes first, put a comma after it. When it comes last, leave the comma out. Spot the signal word, find the verb it points to, and place the comma right. Great work.